indicates that Face ID has been disabled. Disassemble.
Disassemble the cover. Remove Face ID component.
Lattice activation repair. Connect your phone to computer. Click Trust. Detect the original lattice flex cable, indicating that it has been protected. Cloud backup the original lattice file. Activate the original lattice. Activate Succeed. Use the repair flex. Cloud burning the original lattice. The original flex is folded outward and then inward. The original flex connects to the repair flex. Test again. Indicating all normal. Assemble. The repair flex connects to motherboard.
Assemble the cover.
Assemble the screen. Test the Face ID unlock feature. Face ID unlock normal, repair succeed.